Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Jira permissions and audit logs securely, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer Jira permissions and audit logs securely, begin by logging into your Jira instance. Ensure you have administrative access to manage permissions and audit logs. Navigate to the Jira administration panel by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select User Management from the drop-down menu. To manage permissions, go to Project Settings for the specific project. Choose the Permissions option from the sidebar. Review the current permission scheme associated with the project. If adjustments are necessary, click on Actions and then Edit Permissions. Add or remove user groups and roles as needed for secure access. Next, proceed to export the current permissions for auditing purposes. Visit the Audit Log section within the Administration panel. Here, you'll see all actions taken within Jira, including permission changes. Utilize filters to narrow down logs that pertain to the permissions you are transferring. Export the audit log by selecting the relevant time frame and clicking on Export. Save the exported logs in a secure location. Now, locate the user group that requires new permissions. Share the exported audit logs with relevant stakeholders for transparency. Communicate the changes made to the permissions to all affected users. Once permissions are updated, monitor the audit logs regularly to ensure proper access. Periodically review user access and permissions to maintain security. Conclude by documenting the permission transfer process for future reference. This comprehensive approach will help ensure that Jira permissions and audit logs are transferred securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.